And this is another problem. A timber beam of rectangular section. Suppose a load of 20 kilonewton uniformly distributed over the span of 3.6 meter. See here, this is the simply supported beam with rectangular section, and here UDL is present, W per meter, and which equals its equivalency diagram W multiplied span. Okay, so I can replace this diagram with this diagram. W per meter multiplied L meter. So meter cancel here. So I can write W capital W is equals W L. Here Newton means W L Newton. So I can write here in place W multiplied L Newton. Okay. And this value is given here 20 kilonewton. So I can replace Newton with kilonewton here. And span of 3.6 meter. Right here 3.6 meter. Okay. This is the L. Capital W given 20 kilonewton. L given 3.6 meter. If the depth of the beam is twice the width, question is given D equals to B. So this is our D, depth of the beam. This is the width of the beam. So D equals to B. And bending stress not to exceed. Stress value, highest value is given 7 MPa. See, bending one from here, bending stress. Then simply we will use pure bending equation, which is M divided I equals stress divided Y equals E divided R. So here, question is asking find the dimension of the section. So we will use this part first. M divided I equals stress divided Y. So here M divided I equals stress divided by M can be found out. See here, this is the diagram. The bending moment value will be WL square divided 8 at the center, and the equivalency load is W here for WL. So we can replace WL square divided 8 as WL multiplied L. Okay. Divide 8 in place of WL I can write capital W multiplied L divide 8. That only will give you capital W multiplied L divide 8. And this W L will find. So capital W value is given 20 kilonewton. Length is given 3.6 meter. Divide 8. This is the M value. And I can find VDQ divided 12. So V is your D divided 2. Either we can find in the form of B or we can find in the form of D. If we will put here D as 2B, then this equation is like this: B multiplied to BQ divided 12, which equals 8. VDQ divided 12, and stress is given 7 MPa. Stress value is 7 MPa. So I can write 7 multiplied 10 to the power 6 Pascal is Newton per meter square, and Y value is D divided 2. So putting these all values in this equation, I can find the required value, D the dimension, and B. How? Let us see. So m value is 20 multiplied 3.6 divide 8, and I value is here I will write it. 1 divide I, m divide I means what? 1 divide I, so I can write here 8 bdq divide 12, and which can be written as divide 12 can be written here also 12, okay, equals this value is given 7 multiplied 10 to the power 6 divide y value is d divide 2, so d divide 2 I can place here 2 multiplied, okay. So in place of d I can again put 2b, so here I can put 14 multiplied 10 to the power 6 divide 2b, okay. So here b dq, so this I can write here dq, and here also b power b. So here I can write b power. After cancelling b from this will be converted into dq. So I can write this as 20 multiplied 3.6 multiplied 12 divide 6488 and 2 cancel this with 7. So 7 multiplied 10 to the power 6 equals BQ, which equals 1.92 multiplied 10 to the power 6. So upon solving derivatives, we will find B equals 0.145 meters, and D can be found out from this equation. D equals 2B, so 2 multiplied 0.125 equals 0.225 meters. Okay. Next video. So third problem with respect to pure bending equation is rectangular beam 60 mm wide at 150 mm depth is simply supported over a span of 4 meters. So area is given 4 meters. If the beam is subjected to UDL of 4.5 kilonewton per meter. So this is given W per meter, W kilonewton per meter. And I can draw the bending moment diagram for this here like this. And the highest value of bending moment will be W L square divided 8, which equals 4.5. We can write this as bending moment, which equals 4.5 is the load, air is 4, so 4 square divided 8. And this is the bending moment. Here, so find the bending stress. So clearly this is pure bending equation problem. I can write M divided I equals stress divided Y equals E divided R. From this we will use the first part of the equation, because asking stress we are having M sectional properties having B and D, so I can find the I value and Y value. So I will use the first part. So I will put here M divided I equals stress divided Y. So from M that value 4.5 multiplied 4 square divided 8, and I is BDQ divided 12. See, I is BDQ divided 12. So B is your 60 and D is your 150 cube divide 12. Okay. Here I will put 60 multiplied 150 cube divide 12 is written as up because here I have write 12 and that I can replace you with 12 at the numerator part with space is asking and the y value is d divided 2. I can write dl 150 divided 2 d. D divided 2 is the y value, so d is 150 divided 2 is the y value here. That only can put here. Okay. So after solving, I can write y is 150 divided by 2. So base can be found out from this equation. 4.5 multiplied whole square divides 8 multiplied 12 divide 60 multiplied 150 cube multiplied say your 2 and here 150 will be multiplied 2 will come here. Okay, so after solving we are getting stress value as 12 5 4 and 5 2 will so 8 4 2 8 when cancelled here 150 your cancelled so putting in the calculator I will get simply 4.5 multiply 4.5 divide 5 multiply 150. We are after solving this, we will get the value of stress equals let us find in the calculator what is the value stress. Four point five divide 5 multiply 150 square and your value of T is present because kilonewton. Okay. Here also can something. What is the answer? What is the stress value? Tell me. What is the value? 0.04 and this is unity 3 of this is kilonewton moment is kilonewton meter and I is meter power 4 or mm power 4 I is mm power 4. So we will simply replace this with 10 to the power 6, 10 to the power 6, and this is Newton mm. Okay. So m divided I is over and y value is simply mm. So after solving mm cancel your value is multiply 10 to the power 6. If we will do this, here also 10 to the power 6. Then we will get 40 MPa. Okay. Hello. Today in this video lecture we are going to solve some program related to pure bending equation. So let us start first problem. A hollow square section with outer and inner dimension 50 and 40 mm. So this is 50 and this is 40 mm. Is used as cantilever span of 1 meter. So this is cantilever beam, and here P or W is acting, span is given 1 meter, means A equals 1 meter. How much concentrated load? See, W is acting here, so concentrated load can be applied at the free end. Free end is if the bending stress is 35 MPa. So given data is stress given 35 MPa, which I can write 35 1 MPa equals 10 to the power 6 Newton per meter square. And we know the equation of pure bending is M divided I equals stress divided Y equals E divided R, and here load is asking, W is the question here, point load. So we can find this from the first part of the equation. See how? At first we will find the first part, M divided I equals stress divided Y. From this we can write M equals stress I divide Y. Putting here stress value 35 multiplied 10 to the power 6. I value is nothing but BTQ divided 12 subtract BTQ divided 12. This is actually for rectangular section, but this is square section. So what we will do here? In place of B and D, this B and D, we will put the value. See, first square is 50 and 50. So 50 mm I will put here. And for second square I will put 40 mm, the inner square, B and D. So after solving, we are getting this value 307500 mm power 4, because this gets converted into 50 power 4 divide 12 subtract 40 power 4 divide 12. After solving, we are getting I equals 307500. That value will put here 307500, and the Y value equals D divided 2. So D is 50 here. So 50 divided 2. The idea of Y equals D divided 2, which equals 50 divided 2. Upon solving this, we are getting 430 Newton mm. So I can write this as 430.5 kilonewton meter. And the question is asking find the concentrated load. W we need to find. We know for cantilever with point load W, we will get simply the shear force diagram like this. Value is WL, and bending moment diagram is like this. Inclined and parabolic, and this value is W square divided 2. See, actually this is for UDL. If we are having point load W, we can write here SFT as only W and BMD WL. Okay, so this is our case of concentrated load. So we will put this value M equals WL. The question can twist also like this, but here the question is cantilever with concentrated load. So we will use bending moment value is this one. Okay, so he will use WL equals which equals WL, and your air value is given 1 meter. See here, span of 1 meter. Here also, so I can put W multiplied 1 meter. Again cancel meter from left and right side, so I can write W equals 430.5 kilonewton. Next problem. In this problem, a hollow steel tube having external dia 100 mm, internal 75. Okay, and is simply supported over span of 5 meter, and the tube carries concentrated load W at 2 meter. Bending stress is given 100 MPa. So I can write 100 multiplied 10 to the power 6 Newton per meter square, and 1 meter is 1000 mm. So I can put here 100 multiplied 10 to the power 6 Newton per 10 to the power 6 mm square. Cancel. So this is 100 Newton per mm square, because 1 meter square would be 1 meter multiplied 1 meter equals 10 to the power 3 multiplied 10 to the power 3 equals 10 to the power 6 mm square. That only I put here, cancel with this, so 100 Newton per mm square. And this is bending stress, means we will use simply M divided I equals stress divided by the first part, because from the sectional property I can find I and Y. M can be found out from the given simply supported beam with point load at A and B. So bending moment equals WAB divided L. So W here, A is 2 meter, so 2 multiplied 10 to the power 3, B here 3 multiplied 10 to the power 3, divide A is 5 meter, so 5 multiplied 10 to the power 3 equals 236 divided 5 is 1.2, W multiplied 10 to the power 3 is the Newton mm is the bending moment, and I will be 5 divided 64 multiplied d power 4 subtract d power 4. I can place here 5 divided 64 multiplied d is 100 power 4 subtract 75 to the power 4, and the value is coming double 5 I wait 2 mm power 4. Okay, and Y we know d divided 2, so d is 100 divided 2 is 50 mm. Okay, this is 50 mm. So I put here M divided I. M is this one 1.2 W multiplied 10 to the power 3 divide I value is 33555. This is I am putting here M divided I equals stress divide stress is 100 Newton per mm square, and Y is 3 divided 2 50 equals 2 here cancelled. So W can be found out as 2 multiplied 3355 by 82 divide 1.2 multiplied 10 to the power 3. After solving we are getting 5.8. kilonewton of load.